So this morning, I thought I would share a couple of meditations out of this book here by John Essex. And if you can yourself, you can order this study shelf. Beautiful little book. Good things to contemplate and meditate for your day. If you can read some of these things in the quiet, it's beautiful. But I was thinking of how God has chosen us before we were ever born, before we ever even existed as human beings. We were in the mind of God and chosen in Christ. And it's such a beautiful choice, God's divine choice. And there's nothing that can separate us from the love of God in Christ. Knowing this and believing this and walking in this, we have that freedom in Christ, and we thank God that He has chosen such vessels of honor and His glory to be displaying it to His universe, and we are that display. And the whole of the universe is going to see that in the oncoming eons as a spectacular display among the celestials. All right, so this is two parts. Chosen of God. Chosen of God, how strange to human eyes, the method of His choice, yet how divine. Not many scions of a noble line, not many powerful, not many wise according to the flesh. God's wisdom lies in choosing those whom worldly minds reject, whom they consider not, does He select, and poor ones of this world whom they despise. What makes them worthy of this wondrous choice? Not of themselves, for they can never boast. Before the God who calls them, they indeed are His, through grace alone. Let them rejoice that they are found in Christ, and glory most in Him, who to them all that they need. Chosen of God, how thrilling is the sound. Oh, this sweet message ringing in my ear, and yet it almost fills my heart with fear. Chosen of God, how precious, how profound, the truth that in those wondrous words is found, that He should choose and call, and I should hear. I am so worthless, yet He draws me near, and gives me grace, His purpose to expound. Chosen of God, and instruments to bring glory and honor to His holy name. Oh, may I never be broken, be a broken string, but fully tuned to spread abroad His fame, that at His touch I may be moved to sing His praises and His saving grace proclaim.